Gunnison Sheet Metal and Roll Forming.
Oh yeah.
Gunnison Sheet Metal Shop Talk.
Yeah, baby.
Featuring Josh.
So this is our ERBEND shear, our CNC shear for cutting down metal to the right size for different metal strips that we bend our flashing out of. This is one of the first big equipment that we bought. It's super important to have this thing super dialed. We have it right now within 1/100th of an inch, which I think is in tolerance for any flashings that we bend. And that's super important because it makes you bend really straight pieces of metal once you put them in the folder and start actually making the trim.